Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to replace the cabin filter on a Mercedes W204. Cabin filter is located on passenger side under the glove box. Start by taking out the plastic cover. You'll need to unscrew 3 T20 Torx screws and disconnect the footwell light, then pull the cover out. At this point, you want to make sure this hook doesn't catch anything. If it does, push it on the side. To remove the filter, you need to slide off the white clip. Now insert the new filter into filter housing. For some reason, is it harder to slide the clip back? You have to push the filter firmly. Now connect the footwell light and feed the plastic cover back. Thanks for watching.